Hello, welcome to the session on living labs and lighthouses. I will share my screen with you. So let's talk about living labs and lighthouses, one of my favorite topics. My name is Alfred Grand. I'm an organic farmer and entrepreneur from Austria. I'm a mission board member on the mission Soil Health and Food, and I'm also an ambassador for EIP-AGRI. So now we have 4 different building blocks at the mission, and now we are talking about building block number 2, co-creation of knowledge and testing of solutions in living laboratories and lighthouses. So what are living labs? What are lighthouses? Let's start with the living labs, or also called living laboratories. These are spaces for co-innovation through participatory, transdisciplinary, and systematic research. So committed landowners, highly committed landowners will be invited to set up living labs together with the scientific community, together with researchers. And the idea is to co-create, to co-innovate research and to also include consumers to work together with all of these stakeholders to develop solutions and identify gaps on a very practical level. Focus will be, for example, according to the Green Deal and Farm to Fork strategy, also organic methods and, for example, also agroecological methods. These living labs, these living laboratories, they will co-design and co-construction of innovative practices beyond current understanding, with inputs from citizens, practitioners like farmers, foresters, landscape managers, but also from advisory services, biophysical and social scientists, so even transdisciplinary research, data scientists, technologists, planners, policymakers. So it will be a multi-stakeholder approach put together in these living laboratories. There will be experimental and research and innovation activities. So moving beyond the current management, like you see on the picture on the right side, so-called roller crimper method and no-till method for organic farms. There has to be a robust scientific approach. So ideas from practice, for example, will be evaluated by the scientific community. And there should be a wide range of outreach activities to farmers, to practitioners, but also to citizens. What are lighthouses and what is the difference from lighthouse to living labs? Lighthouses are places for demonstration of solutions, training and communication. So while living labs focus more on the research side, lighthouses focus more on the demonstration. So in the area of agriculture, for instance, lighthouses will showcase practices that are exemplary in terms of providing sustainable produced healthy food, feed or fiber, as well as ecosystem services, while linking rural and urban communities. So they will bring together land managers with citizens, for example. So within the lighthouses, a demonstration of best management practices will be shown. Research activities focused around improving current management practices, so not so much on new, but focusing more on already established management practices. But the focus is more on the active outreach and engagement activities, and also several programs on that. So what are the numbers? The ambition is to establish in the first years of the mission at least 5, preferable 10 living labs and or lighthouses in each of the regions within Europe. So that will result in 1,000 to 2,000 living labs and lighthouses, which are working as incubators and demonstrators of change. So there should be regional clusters of 10 to 15 of these institutions, and will be grouped on different topics or different regional activities also. So one of these lighthouse farms, just as an example, could be our own farm, which is a research and demonstration farm, which was established or developed in 2019. We have an organic arable field farm. We're focusing but also on agroforestry and market gardening. It's about 90 hectares. You can see more information on the website. We have prepared a short video for you that we can start now.
Hello and welcome. My name is Alfred Grand. I am an organic farmer and entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, we are producing organic fertilizer with the help of earthworms. As a farmer, together with my family and a young motivated team, we have a research and demonstration farm. We are based in Absdorf in Austria, in the heart of Europe. Our main topics on the farm are soil health, which is the foundation for every farmer, agroforestry, which is bringing back trees and bushes on arable land, and market gardening. Market gardening is really a very special system. It's traditional, but yet extremely innovative. It produces high quality organic vegetables, fruits and herbs on small land, not so much with technology, but more with people. It is the best example for a systemic approach to the societal challenges that we are facing today. It has the potential to mitigate climate change, to adapt to climate change. It regenerates your soil and it produces healthy food at the same time. It creates jobs for young people in rural areas and has a high value to the local economy. We are doing research together with national and international research institutes on market gardening, because we think this is the way to go. Our vision is to establish a market garden in every larger village within Europe till 2035.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, so you get a little bit of impression what we are doing. So as explained, we are focusing on 3 different topics. Soil health is number 1, as you can see with the roller crimper method that we are doing trials and research on our farm, also with an EIP-AGRI operational group, and already the second EIP-AGRI operational group is working on that roller crimper method. We are also doing research in agroforestry. Another operational group started right now conducting agroforestry in Austria. And we are doing research in market gardening, organic vegetable on small scale, small land, 1 hectare or less, and everything is done by hand. So we are focusing also on the cooperation with research institutions. Like you see on the bottom, we're working with FIBEL, we're working with the University of Wageningen, Bioforschung Austria, an Austrian organization, but we're also part of the global network of lighthouse farms, which was established by the University of Wageningen. We are cooperating with the Rodel Institute in Pennsylvania, USA. As I already mentioned, I'm active also in EIP-AGRI, and we are working with the local university here in Austria, BOKU, and also with the European Commission. So one part of our research at the moment is that we have a master student from the University of Wageningen on our farm, and he is conducting research with the title Project Framework, Living Labs and Lighthouses for Farmland Use. So as a research farm, as a lighthouse, we are, and as a living lab, we are already working on that topic also. Howard Costa, who is also part of the EIP-AGRI workshop, he's participating. He's a master student at the University of Wageningen, and he's conducting a 5 months internship on our farm. 50% is on-farm training, and the other 50% research is the research project itself. So what do you think? Are lighthouses and living labs, can they contribute to the mission? And could you imagine to be part of that adventure? Thank you for your interest.